Face those ears. We're getting ready for our big test, and we're going to work together as one team. Arms up high, victory position, reach back. Now, did that have purpose behind it? When you put purpose behind it, watch out. Great things are going to happen. Up high. Oh, wow. That's our victory position, right? Reach back. Now, together, block. Now, put your hands up. Oh, there it is. As we put our hands up, we're going to face forward, and we're going to kick high like a black belt. Kick. Now, we're going to land. We're going to punch. Now, we keep our feet low. Jump switch. And our hands are up. Now, as we jump switch, let's turn towards this way, everybody. Hands are up high. And as we do that, we're going to pick our leg up and kick. Now, when we land, make a letter X. As we make a letter X, we're going to bend down here, and we're going to go down. We're going to twin block. Now, like a windshield wiper, we're going to come up and block together. Punch. Teamwork, right? Block. Punch. Now, we're going to step, block low. Back this time. Hands are where? Up, right? They're up. We're going to pick our leg up and kick. And we're going to land and block. Good. Let's set it up.